Okay, to start this video off quickly, I made a Discord and there's a contest in the Discord. It will be in the giveaway contest section, and I am doing a Q&A, and my favorite question will win one of my single phone miners with a cat phone included. So if you want to join that contest, join my Discord and leave me a question there. Okay, and now to the point of this video. I got a shout out in a RedPandaMining video, and I commented. I was like, "Hey, dude, thanks for the shout out. That's awesome. Like, cool. You shouted me out. Nice. A bigger YouTuber shouting out a littler YouTuber." And he immediately asked me for my contact information. So we started emailing each other back and forth. And he was like, "Hey, I want to send you a package." And I was like, "Cool." And like, I seen a lot of YouTubers, like, they send each other's flags, and that's what I thought I was gonna get. But he sends me a picture of what I'm getting, and it's a huge box, and I have no idea what it is. Here, let me see if I can grab this box and show you. But this is the box, and as you can see, it's massive, and I do not know what's in it, and we are going to find out together. So I will probably move my setup to that table over there, and we'll unbox it, and we'll see what we can see what we're see what Red Panda sent me. And I don't think I deserve whatever he sent me, but I am super excited to see what is inside that box. Okay, so I have the box in front of me, and I am just gonna start opening this. I don't even know where to begin. But yeah, let's just start fucking getting some shit open here.
I don't want to write another melodramatic line. I don't want to write anything short of pantomimes, 'cause I've been feeling stressed without you being here. 'Cause I've been feeling stressed without your voice up in my ear, without your voice up in my ear, your voice up.
Great. A bunch of packing peanuts. That's perfect. It's exactly what I need. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna readjust this a little bit. I'm gonna put this box on the floor, and I will pull things out, and I will put them in front of me. Okay, within that packing peanuts, there was our first box. So let's open this box up. Okay. I'm not too sure so far what it is. We'll save all this hardware here. Okay, we got some brackets. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. And if we look right here, it says a 12 GPU mining rig holder. And what the hell, man? Like, oh man. Oh, he sent me a motherboard too. So he sent me a motherboard. And it's already come pre-installed with some RAM. And wow. Dude, I don't even know where to begin to say thanks. Like, I hardly feel like I deserve this. Here, I'll just start putting some stuff on the table here. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, I got a RedMining Panda sticker. That's freaking awesome. I'm assuming these are riser cables. And I am pretty sure this is all the hardware that is going to be attached to the mining rig. Some sort of power supply. Oh, dude, mining rig sweatpants. Oh, that's legit, bro. Dude, I love clothing, man. Oh. Also, he got me a Mining Hub t-shirt. That's pretty freaking cool. Neat. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is just the box full of hardware to get the mining rig going. What else is in this box? Aw. He sent me a little GPU. He sent me a little 1660 Ti. Oh, that's freaking awesome, man. Like, thank you so much. And another RedMining Panda sticker. That's awesome. Like, dude, thank you so much so far. Holy. There's one more box here. Another RedMining Panda sticker. And another 1660 Ti. Oh, dude, like, let's just make sure there's nothing else in this box here. Okay, let me just like organize this all on my table and then we'll see everything he gave me in total. So this is everything he got me. Pretty much all the hardware I'll need to expand, but he got me a motherboard to start mining. He got me a 12 card motherboard rig setup, 2 starting graphics cards, and like, oh man, like I'm gonna have to go back to the tripod, like, and you know, explain myself and my gratitude here. Like, I don't even know how to say thank you, and I don't even know how to return the favor. Like, for sure you're gonna get one of my single phone miners, but like, dude, thank you so much. And like, I literally was saying in a video I would like to get into GPU mining, but like right at the moment I was spending all my money on Varus, tried to get to 1 gigahash, but everything you supplied me will be a good start to eventually getting my own GPU rig going. So, dude, thank you so much. I like super appreciate it. It's like, it goes along with my motto of life. We're all diamonds, but it takes a light to shine, and just your, you know, just you giving me this is a light shining and making me shine as a diamond. I'm thrilled. Thank you so much, Red Panda. I don't know how to repay you. but I will put it to good use, and it's definitely something I'm gonna have to set up on the weekend because I'm super busy right now. But like, thank you so much, sir. And yeah, I'm not even gonna plug my affiliate links in this one, even though they'll be down below. But no, thank you so much, Red Panda. I super appreciate it, and I hope I got good enough footage of me unboxing it. I did not know I was gonna do that, but thank you so much, sir. Yeah. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Give Red Panda a follow if you don't follow him already. He's pretty big in the space, and it was nice of him to give to a smaller YouTuber. So thank you very much. I super appreciate it. I think I've said it about 1,000 times, but I am so grateful for you. Thank you. Dude, I was just spending a bunch of money on phones. Now I have to spend money on GPUs to fill the rig. Thanks a lot, Red Panda. Thanks a lot.